Now you've gone from a relatively inexpensive stone chip repair to replacing that vehicle's entire windshield. And on many modern vehicles, that doesn't involve just replacing the glass anymore. Today's vehicles often have cameras mounted on the inside of that windshield. These cameras help you with great features like lane change assist, forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, traffic sign recognition. All fantastic until you need to replace that windshield. Chances are those cameras will be disturbed during a windshield replacement. That simply means they will need to be recalibrated. That calibration is critical because those safety systems, so what started out as a tiny stone chip, rely on those cameras knowing exactly where the vehicle is looking. Could become a windshield replacement plus ADAS calibration. That's a repair that can cost several times more than the initial simple repair of the stone chip would have cost you.